So electric field at the axis is greater than at the equator. We know already the equatorial position is lesser than that of axial position, but if you take the difference also, if you are taking the difference also, already this is higher. If you take the difference, the change means in the question it is means to be change in magnitude of electric field, which means differentiations with respect to distance. This is still it is higher. So electric field at the axis of a dipole is greater than electric field at the equatorial position when we are taking change in magnitude, and already magnitude wise also itself it is higher. So change wise also it is higher. So what is the option? More in case of axis of a dipole as compared to that of equatorial plane of the dipole. So answer is coming as option D is the right answer for this question number 20th. Okay. So let's move to the next question, question number 21. Question number 21. Okay. Two charge Q and minus 3Q are placed fixed on an x-axis separated by a distance d. Where should be the third charge 2Q should be placed such that it will experiences a net force? To answer this question in a very fast way, you have to watch my previous videos, else also you can answer it, but it's very time consuming task. How many charges will be here? Two charges will be here. Hope you remember my sessions. If you have two charges plus Q and minus 3Q, these two charges are separated by a distance of d. These are equal charges or opposite charges. I am not asking about the magnitude wise. Magnitude wise this is 1Q, this is minus 3Q. Sign wise, opposite or equal? It is opposite, right? If sign wise it is opposite, then the question is, where should be the third charge placed so that it will not experiences any force? It will not experiences any force means the charges is in equilibrium. Where should the third charge will place? What is the value of the third charge? Charge Q, capital Q, the charge two charges space Q separated by distance of x car. Where should be the third charge will be placed to 2Q? Third charge 2Q has to place. So there are three positions. Number one, either I can place left side, or I can place in between these two, or I can place towards right side. What will be comes as an answer for this? Okay, I can directly say answer is left side, towards left side. It should not be somewhere in between the two charges and somewhere towards right. This I already mentioned this point while I am taking the theory. The point here is like, if it is a similar charges means positive or negative, then also, or if it is a different charges also, different magnitude also, then the next charge which is coming to the system, here 2Q is coming, that charge has to be placed nearer to the and left of the. If it is a opposite charges, then the small charge has to be placed left of the less magnitude charge. Less magnitude. So this is a less magnitude charge Q comparable to 3Q. Magnitude means this is 3Q, then this is Q. So the less charge has to be placed left to that, which means 2Q has to be placed somewhere here at a distance of x meter away. That is the intention. It should not be at the right side, it should not be at the middle side. I discussed this while I am taking about the theory sessions, right? Whenever two charges will be here, if I am placing a third charge, then the whole system of charges are in equilibrium, which means the third charge should be placed nearer to the and left of the lowest charge. So here Q is the lowest charge. If you have not remembering, please refer your notebook. This we have already discussed and we have written a shortcut formula for x. If it is opposite charges, we have written some formula, right? Q low whole divided by Q high minus root of Q low into the total distance d. This is a formula we have learnt. Okay, what is the Q low? Q low means this charge Q. So root Q whole divided by root of how much will come? Q high charge 3q minus root of q. If it is same charge, I already discussed that formula also while I am taking theory. If it is same charge, it will comes as plus. You can refer your notebook, it will be there. This sign will be comes as plus if two charges are positive sign. If two charges are opposite sign, then this will becomes as negative. Now, q will cancel. So 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. 1 divided by root 3. Root 3 means 1.73. So 0.73. 1 divided by 1.73 minus 1. This will becomes as 1.42 approximately. 1.42 times of what is there extra? D will be here. D will be here. D will be here. 1.42 times of D is the right answer for this question with the shortcut method. But if you look into the option, it is given in some terms of another factors, right? Doesn't matter. We can compare. We can solve the 4 option and we'll see which one is matches with this option. First one, if you see option A, D minus root 3. Okay. So D, if you take an outside, 1 minus root 3 will come. 1 minus root 3 means 0.73. 0.73 divided by 2. How much will come? It's less than 0.73 divided by 2 means 0.35 approximately. So option A is not the right answer. Option B, 1 plus root 3 whole into D. Okay. So 1 plus root 3 means what? 1 plus 1.73, which means 2.735 something will come. 2.73 divided by 2, which is equal to 1.4. Okay. Almost equal to 2.8. So which is closer to this answer. 1.42. You will get exactly the figure. If you are taking root 3 means 1.735 something like that, right? So 1 plus 1.73 divided by 2 in option B is given D plus root 3 times of D divided by 2, which means 2.735 or something like that, into multiplied with the D whole divided by 2. If you solve this one, you will get it as 1.4 will be here also. So what is the answer for this question? Option number B is the right answer for this question. Okay. 1.73b. So where to place the charges? That point you always has to remember, whether it is towards left or between the charges or towards the right side. It is always towards the left side of the minimum charges. So this is a minimum charge Q, and this is minus 3Q is the highest charge. So the third charge is in equilibrium position, and that has to be placed nearer to the lowest charge. Please refer the class notes or try to watch the video where I am talking about this third charge, where has to place, whether it is right side, whether it is left side, where it is coming, and this set of formula for if it is opposite charges, this is a formula. If it is similar charges, here plus will come. This is already discussed. Okay. So we'll move to question number 22. Okay. Okay. You need all this shortcut formula, so then only it is easy for you to answer this part. Okay. So 22. Let's move to question number 22. What is question number 22 specifying? A charge Q is placed at each of the corners of an square. Charge Q is placed at each of the other corners. So let's consider a square. Here capital Q, here capital Q, here small q are placed. Okay. If the net electric force on Q is 0, suppose I am taking this Q, the net electric force, so F net will be equal to 0. If such conditions are coming, what is the value of Q divided by Q is how much? That is a question to us. Next, we know this length is, if I am considering as L. Okay, what is the force? This Q and Q will repel with the force. We'll find this force. Okay, this I am giving as F force. And if suppose if you are assuming small q and this small q are positive quantity, what will happen? Small q are positive quantity means this will repel like this, and this will also repel like this, and the resultant force of these two will act like this, Fr. If two forces are acting like this will never come to an equilibrium state. Why? Already one force will be there, F, another force will be there, Fr. Both forces will get added up and will get the total force. So if here some total forces are exist, which means it is not in equilibrium state. So what will happen? This charge should not be, we are assuming this, we are not assuming, it is mandatory that it is a negative charge. If it is a negative charge, instead of going this repulsive force, an attractive force will be here like this. Instead of going this repulsive force, this Q will attract. So because of these two, we will get a resultant force will be like this. In this case, there is a chance to have Fr equal to F, then the two bodies are in equilibrium state. That is a condition. Okay, so which means Fr equal to F. This condition should come. Both forces are equal in magnitude and opposite direction. It should not be Fr in the same direction of F. If it is come like that, then there are no chances that the forces should be in the system in equilibrium, because two forces are acting in the same direction. What is Fr? Fr means resultant of these two. Okay, these two forces will be there, and here as one force will be here. This I am giving as for example small letter f, this I am giving as small letter f. So small letter f will be equal to k into q divided by L square. Okay, so this Fr will be equal to, we have two vectors are there, right? One vector and another vector like this. So what is the resultant formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. So what is coming? Root of f square plus 2f square of cos of 90. Angle between the two vector is 90. So what will come? Answer is root 2 times of f, which means that root 2 times of f means what? K into q divided by L square is coming. Okay, so we got Fr, and F value also we need to find out. F value means force between the capital Q and this Q. So Fr means root 2 times K into capital Q divided by L squared, which is equal to, what is this F? F means the repulsive force between capital Q and Q. So K Q square divided by, what is the distance from here to here? What is it? This is L, this is L. So we'll apply the Pythagoras theorem. L square plus L square, base plus height, which will become what? Root 2L. So this is root 2 times of L the whole square. So K cancel, capital Q cancel, K cancel, capital Q cancel. So we are simplifying further. What is there? L square cancel. Root 2 into Q will be there on the left side. And the right side, what is there? Capital Q will be here, because one Q is get cancels, divided by, what will be here? Here root 2 L square. L square is cancelled. Root 2 square means 2 will be there, right? 2 will be here. So Q will be here and 2 will be there. So what is the question? Capital Q divided by small q, which is equal to 2 times of root 2. So answer is 2 times of root 2. Okay, here if you see capital Q divided by small q divided by 2 root 2. Here I told Q is not a positive charge. Q is what charge? Negative charge. Okay, so Q is a negative charge. So actually we are getting the final answer if this Q should be a negative charge. Then if the Q should be a negative charge only, we are getting this one. So which means Q divided by minus Q is actually we are getting 2 root 2, or we can say Q divided by plus Q if you are taking minus 2 into root 2. Okay, here Q should not be a positive charge. Q definitely should be a negative charge. Then only this force and this force all together Fr will come. Fr will be equal to this F will come. If that two forces are acting in opposite direction, both has to be cancel each other. Then only this will exist. For this one, this should be a negative charge. So we have a resultant force on the left side and right side, and this Q should be a negative charge. That's what we have written. Q divided by minus Q we have written, and Q divided by minus Q is actually we are getting 2 root 2, and Q by Q will be equal to plus root 2. So hope this is clear to you. Okay, Q divided by minus Q is equal to 2 root 2, and Q divided by plus Q is equal to minus 2 times of root 2. This Q should be negative and this Q should also will be negative. Why it is negative? You can write here, to have equilibrium state. To have equilibrium state. To have equilibrium state. To have equilibrium state, definitely this should be a negative charge. If it is positive, as I told before, this Q and Q will repel, this Q and Q will repel, resultant force will come. So two forces are acting in the same direction means we will do a vector additions, we will never get a equilibrium state or total force will be equal to 0 is not possible to get for this one. Okay. Hope you understand till question number 22.